Hi, I'm Johannes and I'm part of the optimization team here at Navis. I'm often asked by terminal operators about the maturity and strength of different automated solutions when they're planning terminal improvement projects. Advanced planning for optimization and automation is critical to the success of these projects because decisions that are made early on will have a great impact for years to come and sometimes decades. Terminal operators need to know the best options available and create a viable plan that includes stakeholders, including equipment providers, employees, and system providers like the TOS. Each terminal improvement plan is unique, and there are key questions to ask when shaping a plan. Here are 4 examples of key questions to ask while you're creating your terminal improvement plan. Question 1. Is it a brownfield or a greenfield site? Greenfield projects have traditionally been more common for automation than brownfield projects. However, we're seeing a surge in interest for brownfield optimization and automation projects. Question 2. What is the phasing approach? Or how will optimization and automation be introduced to the terminal? Project phasing is essential to minimize risk of live terminals with an existing customer base and service level agreements. Factors such as yard density and berth density can play a huge role in determining where and when to introduce new technology. Question 3. What is the desired equipment type and operating mode of the terminal? Terminal operators have a wide variety of equipment types and operating modes to choose from. For example, some of our RTG customers are focusing on optimizing their existing manned fleet of RTGs with Navis's RTG optimization suite. Other terminals, meanwhile, are focusing on both optimizing and automating their existing fleet of RTGs. Question 4. Are your software system and TOS capable of supporting the terminal implementation plan? The software deployed at terminals needs to support optimization and automation, which frequently requires supporting new interfaces and system integration. An example of a terminal improvement plan that is currently being executed at the Port of Tianjin is an interesting case study. The Port of Tianjin is the 9th largest port in the world and growing rapidly. They created a plan to optimize and automate an unmanned terminal with the following 3 steps. Step number 1, replace the existing systems with the Navis N4 terminal operating system. This first step was critical to ensure that the Port of Tianjin could support the optimization and automation of their desired equipment type and operating mode. Step 2, retrofit the existing fleet of manned yard cranes. Tianjin retrofitted 31 yard cranes over the span of 10 months in a phased rollout approach. Step 3, they're now testing a small fleet of autonomous internal trucks with plans to add more. These autonomous trucks have already been integrated into the Navis N4 TOS, and they currently use safety drivers for exception management. This, of course, is a very aggressive terminal improvement plan. Every terminal is going to have a unique terminal improvement plan that fits their specific requirements. At Navis, we're seeing increased interest in automation around the world. From China to Mexico, we're seeing new automated projects that exist in countries where automation did not exist 5 years ago. We look forward to talking to your terminal about enabling equipment with our Navis Smart Suite of optimization and automation tools. Contact your Navis representative today.